In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more brushes on Adobe Fresco. So to do this, first you want to go to the top left and you want to click on Pixel Brush over here, and then you want to go to the bottom and click on Add Brushes. Now, whenever you do this, you have two ways. So to get more brushes, you could click on Discover New Brushes, and then from here, as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different ones. We have, for example, these 2024 and 2023 editions right now, as well as 2022, 2021, 2020, etc. And then at the bottom, there's going to be different ones like Dry Media, Mega Pack. You have this Keith Haring inspired brushes, etc. There's a bunch of different ones. If you want to add any of these, you can simply click on the Add button over here, and it's going to say Adding in Progress. Now, this will take a few seconds, up to a few minutes, and whenever you're done, you can click on Done over here. Go to the top left, click on the brush again, and you should be able to find them down here at the bottom as library brushes over here, and they're going to be somewhere in here. As you can see, I've added some of them already, and that way you can just basically use them, click on them, and they're going to open up as a separate library or folder. That's the first way. And to get more brushes, you could also find them on different websites. Maybe someone sent them to you or something like this, and you can of course buy brushes or download them. And then whenever you do that, whenever you've bought a brush or maybe gotten it from someone or whatever, you can go to Add Brushes, click on Import from Files, and you want to find a file. Usually it's going to be something like an .abr file. You can click on it and click on Open, and that's going to open up and import your brushes. And as you can see, if I go back over here, there we go. We have these new brushes over here, which I just uploaded inside my library. So that's how to get more brushes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.